This is Gulafshan Tariq और आज हम लोग which border is this? Kasur border. Okay, we came to Kasur border to enjoy the ceremony. और Farida, Henny और Nick, they are on their way, and I came with Sufia.
Hi.
So we had a bike ride, and we really enjoyed that. There was a hell traffic. जगह जगह से अजीब अजीब जानवर निकल के आ रहे थे रोड पर. You know about the Punjab area. It was very tough, and सिर्फ 1 घंटा रह गया था, and we make it on time. So we are on our way to enjoy the ceremony. Look at this, guys. This is so big.
One place for one people of two nations.
This is India. See, I'm again against the lights.
Yeah. Nearby, where you can put this card.
Yeah, everything. Just open.
Welcome to the Hussainiwala parade.
India.
This place was a border crossing once. It was replaced in 1980 by the border crossing at Wagah further north.
Sit in the leading section. This is India. We can go.
At this point, we are waiting for the soldiers. A daily flag lower ceremony performed by both Indian and Pakistani soldiers. On the Pakistani side, women are sitting on one side of the arena and men on the other. On Indian side, only one arena. It felt so exciting to be so close to the border. This ceremony, I think, is much more interesting than the Wagah one. Indians and Pakistanis are much closer here, and they can even communicate, wave and smile at each other. My friend Gulafshan and I enjoyed the passionate atmosphere, waiting for 3 of our friends.
पाकिस्तान रेंजर्स की तरफ से हम आपको गंडा सिंह बॉर्डर पर खुशामदीद कहते हैं.
This is our friend Nick. And here are Henny and Farida. If you watch my vlogs, you already know Farida, my French friend who is traveling Pakistan solo.
पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह और जीवे जीवे पाकिस्तान. शुक्रिया.
The parade is held daily at 4:30, but arriving early allows you to enjoy the atmosphere.
Oh, they get the protocol. Look at us.
public praises each country and cheers their soldiers. It is very impressive to see local people involving themselves so much to go regularly and support their country.
They are making their ways and they are making their ways.
After 30 minutes, the soldiers are finally arriving. Swinging their legs up, crashing down their boots on the stage, holding notes, calling across the border. All of them showing their skills.
About to explode. Oh my God.
Challenging the other side. Spinning their weapons. Intimidating their rivals by their threatening gazes. Wearing a traditional shalwar kameez, Nick is fitting in with the crowd in his own way. We also picked a few knowing glances exchanged between them. This ceremony gave us the opportunity to see how great the understanding and fraternity between individuals is. Despite the serious tensions that exist between the two countries. The big difference with the Wagah ceremony is that in Kasur, soldiers from opposite countries actually enter Pakistan and India to lower the flags. The soldiers finally cross each other's border.
Oh, he went there.
And lower the flags. Pakistan in India and India in Pakistan. The ceremony runs for 1 hour. At the end, everyone wants to salute the soldiers, take pictures with them, or dance to celebrate. Why did I love this ceremony? Well, it makes you feel the friendship. It makes you feel the brotherhood. It reminds you of the common roots and the common blood of these two groups, and the peace to which both aspire. Nick and Henny are 2 German travelers met on the way. They were planning to cross the border and continue their trip through India. For this reason, they'll have to go north, through the Wagah border.
So nice that we made it on time. I was already like, come on.
It's not that much more.
Yeah, that's what they told me. They told me Wagah border, you don't see people.
But in Wagah border, energy is more.
Yeah.
But still, it was good.
Very much good, actually.
I want to cross the border.
Come in the camera.
Come, Farida. Farida, Nick.
Can you make a picture? Because oh God, schräg.
Ja, ist okay.
And then change? You want a picture?
Why you guys are so serious? Done. Next.
No, we are fine.
You're fine?
Very nice moustache.
Thank you.
Long after the end, the party was still going on.
I want one for me too.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
प्यारा प्यारा पाकिस्तान साडा दिल साडी जान प्यारा प्यारा पाकिस्तान
यार उधर देखो
It was difficult to leave this place full of joy.
साडे दिलां नू भी लगे प्यारा प्यारा ए कौमी पर जमदे वेखो जाने तारा ए साडे दिलां नू भी लगे प्यारा प्यारा ए साडे मान ते गोमान दा निशान ए साडे मान ते गोमान दा निशान ए साडा दिल वी ते नाले साडी जान ए साडे देश दा नाम
We're back to our home with Sufia and we are having a motorbike ride now. This is my bike and we are about to leave. It's almost getting darker, so we have to leave as soon as possible. Okay, I'm done. Where are they?
Gulyafshan and I took the bike, while the others hitchhiked until Kasur.
Give us a ride.
So what's the plan?
Free.
Free. Oh, one can
If you don't know Guliafshan Tariq, also known as the biker girl, you should check on her.
Accident. That's why they were too close to that rickshaw. They just want to see them.
She's an amazing Pakistani biker, a very inspiring female figure of Pakistan. Once again, Pakistani hospitality has proven itself. 3 men from the ceremony took our friends by car to lead us all to a restaurant in Kasur. Hopefully, one day, tourists and locals from both sides will be able to cross again the Kasur border. Opening the doors to new and bright horizons.